we are very cautiously optimistic about the data, and it's very important that this is data speaking, not so much Russian speaking. So the first interim point was 20 people infected. After the data was checked, 92% efficiency was found. The next checkpoint is 39 people infected, so we'll keep the world posted. But we believe it's, of course, very good data because, as you know, even 50% efficiency for vaccine is considered to be good. Anything above 90% is great. We are very happy about Pfizer results. We know Moderna results will be coming out soon in November. We want all of the vaccines to be successful. The world needs successful vaccines.
There's been some concern that the sample size is small. You mentioned 20 people infected. How do you respond to those critics?
Well, we'll have a next checkpoint soon at 39 points. And I think, this is the results on overall 15,000 people who received first and second shot. And we just wanted to share information based on our clinical protocol. And clinical protocol basically says 20 is the first checkpoint. It is statistically significant. And in addition to clinical trials, we actually vaccinating people outside of clinical trials. And this data by Healthcare Ministry also shows more than 90% efficiency. So again, we need to wait until more data and more checkpoints are available, but definitely we are positive and optimistic given the initial results.
When do you see the vaccine being ready? How quickly will it be distributed, and how efficiently will it be distributed as well?
Well, the vaccine is ready now in Russia, and people are being vaccinated now as we speak. But of course, we need to ramp up production. And I think all of the producers are working on increasing production because supply chain is just not ready for this huge volume of vaccines that need to be produced. So we are ramping up production. We already moved from medium-sized fermenters to large-sized fermenters in Russia. So we believe already in December we'll have very high volume production. We'll also be producing in India, Brazil, China, Korea. We are working with other countries to produce as well. Today, Korea will announce a partnership on production. So production is definitely a key element for all of the producers in the world.
Hi, Kirill, it's Dan here. The Wall Street Journal reported earlier this week that Russia essentially had to dial down production forecasts because scientists there are encountering some challenges when it comes to manufacturing. Can you address that?
Yeah, Dan, as I mentioned, we are ramping up production. If you follow announcements from many manufacturers, there are some delay because of the supply chain issues. But we already moved, as I mentioned, to high volume fermenters, which is a very important step in Russia. So maybe we are about 1 month and a half behind the plan, but we are catching up. And of course, we know that all of the other vaccine producers are ramping up production as well, and that's great. Russian economy is very much dependent on the world economy. We want all of the vaccines to be produced, and definitely we can only be part of the portfolio of the vaccine in the world. Right now, we expect to have only 500 million doses produced next year. Maybe we can ramp up more, but we need Russia and others to produce as much as possible.